So let's see this question from exercise 7.2, question number 10. If a random variable x has PDF, f of x is equal to c by x, and x is defined in between 1 and 3, c is greater than 0, find c, e of x, and that is variance of x. E is expected value, and var is variance of x. So let's see, you have to find all these values. This is small c over here. Okay, so let's see how to find this. So to find this, first of all, you should know the formula, that is e of x expected value will be defined from minus infinity to infinity, and it is the same as in this we use in binomial as well, x f of x. Then e of x square is minus infinity to infinity. If it is x square over here, then there is a square over here also, that is x square into f of x. And variance of x is subtraction of both, that is e of x square minus e of x. So these are the three formulas that, sorry, e of x the whole square, e of x the whole square. So these are the three formulas that you'll use over here. So first of all, we find c. Okay, we'll find c. So since it represents a PDF, I can clearly see it's a probability distribution function, and the sum of all the probabilities, that is f of x dx, the value is 1. So if I split this, minus infinity to, now we have been given from 1 to 3, that is minus infinity and plus infinity, and in between there is 1 and there is 3. So minus infinity to 1, 1 to 3, and 3 to infinity. F of x dx, f of x dx, and f of x dx should be 1. The addition should be 1. The first and last part will give me 0. The only thing that remains is 1 to 3 f of x dx. This is 0 and this is also 0. So 1 to 3 f of x. What is f of x? It is given over here, c by x. So if I take this common, if I take c outside, integration of 1 by x dx is equal to 1. So c is still outside. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Okay. From 1 to 3, that is the lower and upper limit. Now upper limit is log 3 minus log 1 is equal to 1. So this is upper limit minus log a minus log b. Okay, this is what you get. That is nothing but log a by b. The log of 3 by 1, which is log 3 only. So c is equal to 1 upon log 3. So finally you get c is equal to 1 upon log 3. Now we found first answer, that is c. Now we'll find e of x. Now how do I find e of x? The formulas are written on the right side. So e of x is minus infinity to infinity x into f of x dx. So if I calculate this, now from minus infinity to infinity, if I see, it is not defined, it is only defined in between 1 and 3. So I'll say the left hand, the this part is 0 and this part is also 0. So I'll directly go to 1 to 3 f of x, that is x into f of x dx. So this comes out to be 1 to 3 x into f of x, that is x into c by x dx. So x into c by x dx will give me 1 to 3 just c dx, and c will come outside. Integration of 1, integration of 1 will give me x. Integration of 1 will give me x. Then the upper limit minus the lower limit. The value of c is 1 by log 3 into 2, and finally you get 2 upon log 3. So answer that you get is 2 upon log 3, that is e of x is 2 upon log 3. Now you want is variance of x. To find variance, we have to also calculate e of x square first, because e of x square minus e of x the whole square. This is what you should get. So we'll calculate e of x square first, and then I'll subtract it from e of x the whole square. That is this 2 by log 3 the whole square. So let's find variance. That is, first we have to find e of x square. So e of x square is defined from minus infinity to infinity. The only difference is x square into f of x dx. So 1 to 3 x square into c by x. X will cancel, c will come outside. Integration of x is x square by 2, 1 to 3. So c into upper limit, if I put, that is 3 square is 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2, c into 8 by 2 means 4, c is 2 by log 3 into 4. Okay, 2 by log 3 into 8 by 2 is 4 only. Okay, c is not 2 by log 3, c is 1 by log 3 actually. So it is 1 by log 3, that is finally you get 4 upon log 3. As you can see, c is 1 by log 3. Okay, e of x is 2 by log 3. So I got e of x also. Now let's put the values. That is, variance of x is e of x square minus e of x the whole square. So e of x square is 4 by log 3 minus 2 upon log 3 the whole square. So 4 upon log 3. Okay, now if you want to take LCM, this will be 4 upon log 3 minus 2 square is 4 upon log 3 square. So there is extra log 3 over here. So we take the LCM, get 4 log 3 minus 4 upon log 3 the whole square. If you take 4 common, you get log 3 minus 1 upon log 3 the whole square. That's your answer.